Me want tell you the truth. The one named Gage and the one named
Alkaline.
Alkaliyad.
Alkaline.
They never said the name because people say Beetlejuice
on the show. Don't call his name. Yeah.
Oh. So we use the name that we use.
Alkaline.
Alkaliyad, as you say. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, which views? What kind of views him can give nobody, boy? You know, even for him hypocrite friend, let me tell you something. One thing anybody can't talk about me, you know. Then can't say NinjaMan and cokehead, boy. You can't say about me, so me chat who no like it. Who no can go call me cokehead and cuss me anytime me tell you this. Alkaline is nothing but a piece of crap. Because as a youth, I come from the university and go to college. I'm supposed to teach people better than when I teach people.
Did he actually go to college?
No, he spent like a year and left.
You're lucky. Me never come in no class. Oh, and him get for song in a class in for 1 year and come back out and teach people foolishness. Yeah?
I think about the rumor say him turned out 2.5 million.
A lie! Leng not even want to pay me that. Hype, what's the idiot? Hype, what? And all these things, they must know that some of them artists here, it's too stupid. You understand? Because if you turn down $2.5 million, are the people if you know that the promoter for cuss and say that where you are going to tell the public for, that means that you look hype. And you see the man come out and look hype. You know. Them publicity stunt. Not just like how they tell us a dentist fly down for fix Gully Bap teeth and after I show done Gully dentist, the Gully Bap missing my appointment and the teeth can't fix her appointment can't make back on now.
She just come promote her dentistry. Is her dentist?
The woman not even come and can do nothing.
Well, we are conspiracy theorists, so that all them things they don't have to believe. NinjaMan, I think this is officially